Welcome to Box Pure Air's Apex 2.0 presentation. You can see from the video that the unit stands 4 feet tall. That's a significant difference between your typical classroom unit. As Marianne effortlessly gives you a 360 view of the unit, she's going to perform a simulation of what it takes to remove the unit. You can see the actual timer in the right hand corner. The 2 filters that she is going to remove are a antimicrobial filter that is 4 inches thick. That needs to be replaced every 6 months. That filter has a US certification rating of a MERV 9. And those filters generally should be replaced every 6 months depending on how they are used. As Marianne finishes up, you can see how easily it is to reattach the spring-loaded screws because they don't fall out when they're actually loosened up. You can also see the back of the unit and the polyurethane blue wheels, which are very quiet and move very easily. She effortlessly lowers the unit down, and the process that we've started now is to replace the HEPA filter, which the clock has restarted and ticking off to the right. All she'll need is a simple Allen wrench tool, and as she removes the screws on the front, please keep in mind that this is a 7 to 10 year process. You will not need to replace this HEPA filter more frequently unless it's under some very unusual circumstances. She takes off the aluminum frame and she'll start lifting up the HEPA filter. Below the HEPA filter you can see what is aluminum shaped insert that helps create that important safe air breathing zone. The HEPA filter, we're not going to remove it in this example just because it's a very easy process and we don't keep them on hand given they don't need to be replaced other than every 7 to 10 years. We lower the unit, we reattach the face, and basically do the process in reverse. And again, very simple process and doesn't need to be done very often. As we lift up the unit, again, that's a one-person job. We're going to take a look at the side of the unit. That's our variable speed control, and on the left you have the speeds and the decibels and the watts. We start off with a low speed of 400 cubic feet per minute. Keep in mind that most units that are used in a classroom, their maximum setting is 400, and we're starting off at 400 here. Most people run it at 1200 cubic feet per minute, which would be a medium setting, medium high, and it's up to 1500 cubic feet per minute, which is 90,000 cubic feet per hour. Here comes Marianne. She's done a great job. Now let's look at the filter gauge, which you can see there. Very easy to read, and it'll tell you when your filters need to be replaced. There's the actual sensor, which is behind the antimicrobial filters. And then we have the back of one of the EC motors. There's actually 2 of these EC motors, and they're very efficient, some of the best in the world.